Front side, my two department friend, they are nicely good behavior. My friend Golam Rabbani and Bhavesh. I introduce my friend Bhavesh, passion. Right now he is a teacher, great man. কিছু বল ছাত্রদের উদ্দেশ্যে তোর।
ছাত্রদের উদ্দেশ্যে
হ্যাঁ,
I have nothing to say.
because
I don't know anything in English because I'm a student of English department, but I don't have any idea what I'm saying.
and front side, busy with phone, Nazir.
Imran Nazir.
Imran
He is a great character, Byronic character, and how can I describe Byronic hero?
নাজির কিছু বলবে,
I have nothing to say.
বল।
Please say something about your girlfriend.
Your beloved.
How is your relationship is going on?
Front here, my friend, my department friend, great behavior person, Ripon. Inshallah, this year he complete graduation, and next 2 year he got
হবে
a
তো নাকি
job, great job,
ওটা তো হবে, ওটা তো স্পেশাল।
and
হ্যাঁ, ইয়েস, হ্যাঁ,
একটু-
মাস্ট বি, এটা লাগবে, জনি লাগবে।